Seo sin maithe. Fáilte leis go Cluicheamaid, a bhíon dáchas go déid mo chláin sin bicin a bharach an teachcinnta go bhí bicin na soiléire. A míad fa bhíon tú go raibh is go fricars gan na cùisean búlach ach hasta cean seo a chi sin mar a héad chein. Ceast ag sa sin na clúich Jedi Òrdugh Crìon i dtíiste tú le ar carriage Cal Kestis agus is an síise nach san síise nach ach go i chiad episód seo díach recap bic na hachar chéine so is sinne an fearach seo Cal Kestis is bheith sin na tréine go bhí nar Jedi nuair a hachar Òrdugh seasca sa sia an nuair sin ha sin bhí an fallach a bhíoch in gun ara na hímperach a ghlachcaigh ach nach an cùiseanachadh the Inquisitor sheriffant gan impere genanum an dàrna piúhead Vursty ar carriage prof agus bheith gus armurst ach nach long fanis genanum lamentis san ar savalig agus ha ché iad a long sir I baist a bhí na Jedi ha iad ad cud gan flanet seo iad a bhéil sin I drasta go sean temple Jedi ha mis mention anna hin agus chuirí an seo sin ar san cuidcin a lorach agus ha sin díreach iad bídí a hen I chuineach ach cáte bhí le sin anna hin sin bídí a hen a droid bic ach a mis mention íoch mí seo dhéanamh an teachcinn seo chai ach a mis mention gan urin gain bídí a hen cholas bídí a hen athrathú bican síoch sin seo go bídí a hen scail so fíoch sin sin I hast mar a bhaid so ach caú dúine mí an laptop agus clúichí sin so dé hastain dúnte a sin rit fan mí gran teachcinn seo chaid go bhfuil géime seo go má callach í Dark Souls as géimiche mar sin
Careful over there. That doesn't look safe.
íoch dé sin
Back at the scrapyard.
ba mí cantain go rá géime seo chu callach í Dark Souls agus sin rút a ha fécinn in a Dark Souls darsan nach uringút ach fascaigh bh anthebh agus nuair sin ha sin a déanamh cúisean na saite réirt seo okay ha sin dá
Hold on, everyone. I'm coming.
okay Oof. We buach cínteach mar a raimime sin Fiach in céinech mar chuige géime seo okay so go éis sin thula sian agus Hermit's Abode Níist ha cáil gen bheach go bhfuil sin dul chuine chuí Jedi an é chanéal mise ítear gen bheach sin áid go fat is fisrach mí agus chanéal mé a thula lear neoch éime Star Wars I léagh ach ag an am seo bhíh tú an dúil go bíh mór an Jedi man cuairt ar ha féidir iad the first sin cean gus an ha féidir go iceach so heis go bhfuil Obi-Wan agus Yoda amach an hinach an aitcin ach a chréisbí an canig sin riad san go cearst agus a bharcha sin ha ddíireach is a go méid coiad Kanan Jarrus for Star Wars Rivals agus Ahsoka Tano agus is fíor hallam Ahsoka Tano bhí gas scaneún an roi an sa géime seo a chréisbí bí mar sin ha mís just mention nach caní sin rí Jedi a chuirte go caní sin rí chuirte droid ar chuircin chuirte holocron an sa bhéil fis na Jedi
Whoever lived here used this room for storage. They kept food and supplies.
Ar neá ha mís mention stacha ad a mi réicin go bhfuil só go réire an sa géime seo an áitcin agus mar sin úsáiding déanaige cíal den ro cuidcin a bheith an sas an a bhí chud i chéile rébaltaí an gcuirt. Bhí a hain.
That was pretty brave. You okay?
Oh, Vov.
Wait, I can help you with that. Will you let me? Oh, okay.
Oh, that's so cute.
Well, your scomplink is busted, but this should help you get moving for now. Okay, try that. The vault. Yeah, that's where I was headed to. Okay, well, first we gotta figure out a way out of this place.
Slía amach. Customized lightsaber. Jason go Janu. Okay. Rania. Your version giddy orange. Oh. Sache orange. Is that the last emitter? Jesha. My keto campaign. Baron campaign. So let's tell him, Shaw. Egghead. Jay calls ahead, mission Jennifer Jennifer, my keto campaign. Really? Ally metal. My keto campaign. Let's tell him the Shaw. Okay, Fiach me Shaw. Scania. Let's tell him. Oh man. Okay. Well.
BD, that's a little small for me. Don't worry, I'll find my own way out. Tight fit, but this should work.
If Farrakhan Carnyanach Gununi got a lightsaber Òrdugh Gírach ar Sgas can do me mar deluxe edition. So mi dal gechud ar ascu go garam. Or mi svensin I could be a chicken cool on the scale of near yo written or son could reach a lightsaber racket. Garam it rasta. Sure.
Those vines look like they lead somewhere. Hope they're sturdy.
Rashka strep agus lame. Yep. Strep agus lame. Okay, Jimmy in it. Shama. Shoshin. Okay. Alles kat kunnerstach Shach. Yep. Oh, hey, be nicht.
Yeah, I'm all right. Healing stem. You're full of surprises. That's better. Thanks, little droid.
Cast.
Okay, let's try this again. Oh, okay. Here, hop on board.
Oh. Scania. So I'm searching, yeah. cùisean a hin.
How'd you get here?
Da stims ac.
Don't remember? I've never known a forgetful droid. Can't argue with that.
Okay. Oh, scanio. Sean have giri ekin na betaia. Clar Genacha. Sin a mantis an a hin. Guess, man. Ah, yeah, you know. Doi suas agus sias.
Hey, a chest. Think the Jedi would mind if we grab supplies? Where are you going? Something we can use?
New emitter. Research devotion or sound a lightsaber. Scania. Susarat.
That's where we need to go. I can feel it.
Okay. Do you have one course joined? Ga je spreken fashion in nul. Oh, sin falashin. Jayla have one course. I read can halen hen. Good. Verder practice. Oh, het is niet meer goed. Guest, het zijn. Goed is de Deiligeadh. Jason. Diana Becan. Lame, how is mention? Okay, no on a hand. Shin farewell and ship. If I should especially could do God lame hashin either. And you know we should bullock incha. HP 0 na hean dag. Oh, fashion seo chenne. Na gra. Machine iron, Oh. I take you in nicht. Rash gan. Sliad. Oh, ach sitting gan skill point in a chosca nicht. Spier halen BD hen. Miaurigig. Resting respawns enemies. S. Skill tree. So J has just in lightsaber. So sitting again. Increase maximum force, increase maximum life. Could it be the on this J shot? Dash strike. Now you said you could currently reach a force. Scania. Next to kind of fame I come kind of good in going force a clock. Deiligeadh. It's packaging. How does it give off fame rest, yeah. She has doentje. Chili shin gaan hermit outpost met B. Get it. Oh, shall it a vase judging.
Moving out.
rich we could be co. Ik wil het tegen. Wat haal je? Oké. Jimmy en haal hen. Shouldn't slee again or that shin. Yuck. En dat is we switch ik wel lekker met die kook force ionsig geutje hier zo'n shin en lus het stagen. Ach, geen les. Kom je zien jaar. Heet shin gaat wel een game een giri gejeetje. Drastic. Tjesha. Oké, BD. Een geitje. Hier kan toeristen moeten gaan. Great divide. Scattig. Het shin gewoon.
You mapped everywhere we've been.
Oh, shin iets nog. Blocked paths. Hij iets nog na daaien aan zoveel in game had show. I can't maar Dark Souls. Ach, hij Jennifer net jou to can be an assassin.
Can't make it over there. We gotta find another way.
Kom iets nog. Zo, sinds je wel veel meer kind als je is aan echt ja, je shin. Ja, veel meer kind leven jaren. Ja, nul. Gaat je kind. Maar zo. Shashi. Zit geen hele steinen. Ja. Harsh lightsaber stoffen.
Something was in there.
New poncho material acquired. Scania. You can change your poncho in the pause menu. Well, if you insist. J-hacking. So, Sean hacking the taste, agus fashion hacking. Chanisha. Chanile. It's not doing much for you, Cal. Come on, Sheen. Let's show. Okay, Shoshin. Yeah, show at your son. Jenny, meditate pick. Shoshin. And your skill point hacking. Cluicheamaid. Just yeah. Sense force echo.
This tool was used by someone eager to reach the vault.
Jan. Oops. A tool used by a traveler who J. Oh. And again I can J schreef je er wel. Sure. Oh,
huh?
Yeah.
Nice job.
Tactical guide updated. Bograt. Easy to parry, avoid being surrounded. Common pest. Bograt. Octobogdo, I think. The rare Octobogdo, fiendishly formidable abomination. Shinakadai. And yet, Octobogdo Elashin. Oh, right, okay. Oh. Okay.
What'd you find?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Glitch aan de heen met switch. Yep. Als je een laat Octobogdo. Well, we should assassin. Tell him, Cal. A ceol ealaí ní chu me seo mis mention. Mar seo agus an sapach in an cùiseanachadh. Subterranean refuge. Phew. Gai sin beag an bháis. Agus sin I líanaigh na stim canisters acu. Goteach, so sin scaneam. Níist. Deag an éan. Okay. Switching back in brief. Charnu, dal. Yes. Hier is een seo. Sin ceisciad. Agus éile. Nína go trítim síos gana rúta sé. A chréit gan éirín. Díach I mí. Nope.
What's this?
Parrotfish. Reckon iascair hurricane. Cymru yumi mach. Terrarium seat. Ich gan two of us sitting at Crìochnachadh see in the shop. We're sitting there on a lightsaber racket. Oh, yechin paddy. Okay, throw it. Okay. Such a creation. Ulust, yeah. McGeady and Richard and you know, faking Kimberly Yomia. Lach go find me cùiochnachadh an san skide ha seo. Sin ruúta ha cumanta go had a chance to gemich an Metroid and two of us hailir san genuach and nudigit go san fayú na cùiochnachadh úracat.
See something in there?
Fan manage BD. Okay. Neil edit sack man here. Oh aye. Did it go eichgin written a hachar an san amú galab sin cùiochnachadh hacam mar Jedi. Oh, wil te checken scrut Òrdugh. Ah,
Try again.
It's difficult, Master.
Yes, the path is difficult. It may seem impossible, but with persistence and the Force as your ally, you will overcome any obstacle. You will master any path. Now, do what you must to reach me.
Run and jump towards rigid walls.
Faster, more intensity.
More intensity. I mean, literally you used to leave.
Position.
All right.
I did it. Persistence and the Force is my ally. Just remembering old tricks.
You should need to go show you. Sorry, I can't like generation. Pushing Susan man. Okay. Wirklich shock you.
Think you can show me that shortcut again?
Sure. Oh, it's in Chile. Yeah. Seo go má Metroid. Tá seach am san Shine. Cymru yummy. Níl sin. Tadhal. Oh. Mis go bhí seo deireadh ach. Yes! Sin ag dé.
This area was used for meditation. There's someone familiar with the Jedi Order.
Someone familiar with the Jedi Order. Well. Níl sin kill good Jedi avanta. Okay, so sin dá hier in die chili gan. Oh no, was sin nie ha keine. Lame, free, strap. This free, lame. Meditate Bogano. Òrdugh. Is vaak is in Shen. Agus. Ciao. Catch you again. Oh, just anyhow. Collectible Layla.
Hey now. What was in there?
Cùisean. Lightsaber switch. Valor and wisdom. Scanio. Female. Okay. Suas. Version. Version Giri. We told you nachher mé Cluicheamaid deireadh. Trud. Iaching Paddy. Oh. No. Oh, scan.
Okay, I'll look. Find something?
Blocks. Okay, so ha own Caterella Akinri scanning it. Serlin, yeah. Dragon, Ashen. Dragon, yes. Brut. Jenna.
Someone made camp here. They were excited to discover a giant creature that lives close by. A binog, they called it.
Binog. Did you get it in the binog? Yeah. Okay. Pink. Skill. Okay, must judge me suas of she an element question. Really? Jafar Rami is mentioning. Michel Maha. Agus. Service in written the jar, Gurch. Okay. I can be. Die feitje nog.
Can you slice this? Sorry about your scalp link, but standing up to that bog rat, pretty brave. Oh, okay.
Fucking is scumpling crackhead.
What was in there?
Valor and wisdom too. Shall it a great agent. Oh, ik had cute. Ik dacht eens nog even helemaal kan worst. Ach. Niet waar kindje kan be helemaal kan worst. Hier, shall until then. Two of us are good known hen. There's actually some meditation. Kom meer om het raasten. Shashin. Oh.
Right through there.
Shin.
Whoa, it's on.
Oh. Mission generates. Wish your son getting cursed. Oh man. Alley. Okay. A BD ahead, darnus. This lawyer.
We're not finished yet. Okay, you probably would have won. Probably.
Sin meditate in his guy sin began fosh. Oh, it's a pain gakin. It's Janie sin lesh. Yuck. Empowered slow. And you shouldn't really increase health. Nimi sin ma. Connie ye et barach health. Shin. I guess guy shin fosh. Shin. Fuck is shin. Okay. Tadhal an sanatja hasha. Zeefa. Scania. Jedi. Scania. This structure has been here at Leanchin. Famous at Force.
Amazing.
Gamma Bria. Yeshin, the father, the son, and the daughter, O Mortis. Òrdugh.
You alright, BD?
Well done, whoever you are.
Cordova.
You have passed the test I left behind, and gained access to the vault and this recording, one of many encrypted logs stored in the droid. I am Master Eno Cordova. I may not know your name, but I know your purpose. The fate of the Jedi Order lies in your hands. This place, this vault, is a sacred temple, built by a vanished civilization known as the Zeffo.
Zeffo.
Meditating here, I was granted a premonition through the Force, a vision of doom. I have placed inside this vault a Jedi holocron.
Jay hurts me.
List of the names and locations of young Force sensitives throughout the galaxy. Ahead, you will find the inner chamber of the vault, but also another test. I can only trust this holocron to someone who has followed my path and understands. Seek out the hidden tombs of the three sages and learn to perceive the mysteries of the Force as the Zeffo once did. In this droid, you will find everything you need to succeed on this journey. Go to the Zeffo homeworld. There, you will find peace in the eye of the storm. Good luck, Jedi. And may the Force be with you.
I guess you were the someone I was supposed to meet. You know, I've been alone for a while now. Without any purpose, just hiding. There's no way to live. Not for a Jedi. Or a droid. Maybe Seer was right. Maybe we're done hiding. Hey. You want to meet some, friends of mine?
Destination unlocked, Zeffo. Search Zeefo for ancient tombs. Ancient. Ha ancient gyfeil sin a feic in planet yn ure agus eto ialichte leis ar a hamír chleintsin gan jéitú go Dathomir an sa game seo is ha mi ddíireach ar san dul go Dathomir. 3 stages sin na bhirste. So Chris mi gyfeil a ceaute di an tahid amach agus an nían fá Clone Wars ínsynach het etter ialichte yn trúdach go si an éile stein ha ar sé ddíireach an é ddíireach an teamar seo. Well, an a dáibh a mi ceist gus bí gur ra mín dúil nach big Jedi úr an. Well, mi cead an hin ach gur ra mín dúil go big holocron a sasan agus go big droid a sasan agus sin ceist.
I'll check it out.
Descriptions. Carnate. Oh, Chananya gaibh an canon. Sin cumhaint. Caramach am scanning. Oh shit.
Got a scan?
Offerings. Ínsynach. Má scan eile an féimic bhfuil ar sin an ga agus céad.
I think I found what you wanted me to see.
Sounds like you did. We'll be waiting.
Okay, so soon got Chile gan láte sin drasta. Ha mór an éile soon gaibh an Janu id Bogano ach. We mentioned your son the Karen Kumaladal like Aster. Oh, yuck. Hello, Harich. Yuck. Shin.
Okay, I'll look.
Bagdo. Ah, she Jirach Ogdo Hashin. Ah, I get Shin and Tresserit. sever the tongue with a combination of the force and lightsaber attacks. That I mission. Okay. Ignition Ogdo Bogdo. Hashin fuse. Nas missa na Ogdo. Gasht. Hashin man. Catch it. Checking. Okay. Stacha gumburing on route more sin habit. I can't cute because now we're son of first. Smash in Stockholm via community Chile and a mantis and go. This oh well. Kishin. Need me a root again. I'm gonna go lame yesha tra a bit. Yuck. Oh.
Stim, BD1.
Which one's your devotion? J-Shell or something? Natural alcohol. I mean, Doc is going to get Chile. We got you now. Tuition flicker stayed out. Yeah, it has blocked. Okay. Well. Ah, damn it then. Yeah, Christian Shinny, yes. Just capital something. Aye. Yeah, Christian Shin. This nation she is going to read that. Now roll Garrett. Ara que eu tiro que tal quer que mira já. Ach, caiu. Chineses. Oh, Ana Gatal. Ja, interessant. Nicht. Kalsgewel. Tuvisli sapach aan de hen. Ach, misje dierig. Mis mention giri tal. Shies. Kanacha shin. No, shin federali. Ja, kan we geturer gaan. Ik is haar map aan te hebben. We kennen goed gewel map aan. Ik kaart niet aan nog. Stachen. Met de Deiligeadh cùisean of catch mantis and a hen. So mi giri vidi dal leis. So H me. Ah. Nope. Yuck. Oh, was slí go me siimplí ar go mantas nach rá agus ha mí sé tíidir go tuircear. Sean, the sages. Okay, fíocha sin seo list. It's lame. It's lame. It's lame. Sus. It's new sin. Ah. Ceáil a sin. Sure. Sin an doras na bheith dúnte gláiste rain. Oh, dé si an here. Ba seo gláiste go. Ha.
Get through.
Yeah, can reach you. Ah.
I'll check it out.
Vision. Hey now.
My friend, it appears the Zeffo had some interest in Dathomir.
Yes, Dathomir.
Strange. For such a peaceful culture to have any sort of fascination with a place so dark.
Fishing doll. Yes. Oh man. I wish you could doll Dathomir. There. Sin ras fer an de hoise sin dú. A wint alle chum alarm a chluiche pe in na satje. Carriage me soon got all Dathomir.
Should be a lot quicker than the way in.
A chast cymru yomi a rasgan. Oh, I can't manage. It's actually fiocha mi seo the ist. But it's good to go right there. I'll talking at you actually, but nope. Skilly in a varach ik me ons gekald. Misschien Arn daar. Ik zou het hier van de chauffeur ook de Bogano. En jullie zijn kibberig jullie dat man. Het kindje komt met hier. Shouldn't spare some. Okay, Jimmy, sure. No. Suez. Shall in the crater enough. Agus shotgun horse Yeah, kitchen. Each cin étar páirg agus lothcat. Yeah. Boggling. Boggling. Mantis. Go how she find. Oh. Shit.
Pass the test.
So you knew about BD1?
Come on board. We'll talk inside.
Oh, BD1, this is Grease. Hey, Grease.
What is that? Get off my sofa! Get off my sofa! Get out of there! Get out!
That is BD1. He's with us.
I don't care who he's with. Do you have any idea how hard it is to get oil stains out of petroleum fabric?
Not really.
Oh, I hope you found something better out there than this droid.
Oh, calm down, Grease. He did. Tell us, Cal.
The vault was built by an ancient civilization called the Zeffo. A Jedi named Eno Cordova hid something inside of it.
What did he hide inside?
A holocron from the archives. It contains a list of Force-sensitive children.
The next generation of Jedi. I knew it! Ah, Cordova, you old fool.
You knew him?
Yes. A long time ago. I was his apprentice. Cordova was a loner. That little droid and I are probably the only ones that know about Bogano.
Hold on, wait a minute. A hollow what?
A holocron. It stores information, but only accessible to Jedi. Hang on, I think I have one around here. Use the Force.
This is Master Obi-Wan Kenobi. I regret to report that both our Jedi Order and the Republic have fallen.
With that list of Force sensitives, we could rebuild the Jedi Order and defeat the Empire.
Okay, no problem. Let's get it.
Well, except the holocron is hidden deep inside the vault, and to get it, we have to follow Cordova's path. He mentioned something about the planet Dathomir and a Zeffo homeworld.
All right, well, where are we going? I'm just asking because I was thinking of maybe making some food.
Look, before we do anything, I need to know something. How come you're no longer a Jedi?
I had an experience that changed my perspective. So I cut myself off from the Force.
But you still want to rebuild the Order.
I believe that rebuilding the Order is the best chance we have against the Empire. What do you believe?
I believe I can't keep hiding from the Empire, so I don't really have a choice.
Cal, as long as you're alive, you will always have a choice. Are you with us?
We're in.
Dathomir or Zeffo, it's your choice.
Dathomir. Dathomir.
Which planet next?
Yep.
Setting course for Wait a minute. You want to go to Dathomir?
Surprised Cordova went there. He must have had good reason.
I am staying put on the Manus once we arrive. Red sunlight cannot be good for your skin.
His place used to be home to a powerful cabal of Force wielders known as the Night Sisters.
They use the Force? What, like Jedi?
No. These witches served only themselves. Their powers focused on deception, illusion, manipulation.
Sounds like someone I used to know.
During the Clone Wars, the Night Sisters made a deal with a Sith Lord who betrayed their trust. In the end, they were nearly wiped out in a massacre. Dathomir is a deadly place. We should be careful.
Don't have to tell me twice.
Night Sisters. Banavuchi in a Force.
coming up on our creepy destination. Grab some seat, kid.
Kerst. Oh, scanning out.
Cal, be careful here. This is a deadly, dangerous place.
I need a second.
Oh.
Do you know anything about the Night Sisters of Dathomir?
I knew a little. Many Jedi weren't even aware of their existence, but being Cordova's apprentice came with some unique insight. He always thought they were interesting, as he did with most ancient cultures.
And what did you think?
I never came here. I never wanted to. As I recall, that was about the time the two of us began going our separate ways. The darkness always has an effect, one way or another.
Is fiad helmsa na Night Sisters. Nógadh anan agus fuinti go bhfuil nógadh anna chuid gemichin ach bharachar sin nógadh ans the Clone Wars Sage Ventress na Night Sister agus sound bhd Dathomir ha Darth Maul agus had an bheachsa had tíoch go má inchinach sin caran clachte the Jedi is the Sith is mar a héad an clachte the Force after son the Night Sisters na saisce é ddraoch agus had tíoch go má inchinach na bharasa Dach gon cynnig sin rí tséhiú ach cynnig lis Iach, tséhe sin Callas fia chéad caú Jehan
Let's go, BD1.
Yeah.
Find something?
Then go sin in. And it call it I'm back of a soul in it. Yeah. I'm cursed. Yeah. Areopods. Night Sisters. Reading each component of the pod. Each Karen mad. Mummies. Earth commission. Yeah. Jason. Yuck. Bean back spider. Each enough. There she is. Dúintse an ta bhéile sin féin chhlaachtaí sin. Iach. Sé ile ham an cuairt. Mis muid si go bhfuil tíreacht alle Hapachane and Nathalie werewolf Ruth version. I heard we will call it a movie. Savage Flesh. Or wolf. She had all. Okay. We switching around a Dathomir hat the Rancors. Let's get mad hack Jabba and a Return of the Jedi.
Help me!
Yuck. Okay. Shaky in the rest. Hello, fellow deer. The Hasho. Oh well, it's smashing. Oh, yeah. Like this basket, you need a shot. Ik dacht eens dat laat je verder gaan. Ik ga het. Dus aan die gasstachen. Hacking in here.
Hey now. What's that BD1?
Call the sailors on BD1. Jacking. Machine. Shouldn't stuck together. Tell them, but yeah. Health's a beacon. It's really a shitty catcher, son. Rest, you know. Catcher some Òrdugh. Through that goes. Yuck. Shouldn't have there. Has seo steigte Raw episode of Céir, Raw and New Hope. So I etter Revenge of the Sith agus a New Hope. Yeah, Livy tug Dathomir and atje Zeffo. I'm smashing stock of me in an atje nastere hug. See if she and Charlie is. sin dal fádracha leis ruta sin an tuaire seo. Na hénig géirí barach lusanna rúteach íoch. Seo. Ja. Ruta sin. Sin. Oh. Fáhan at. Seo. Agus tá sin ar ais mar a rushing na fast bharach health. Yuck. Esto. Hurry. Shachatara. Everything in Russian. Ha mechanic geneist. Nu de vastus tú hacket ris an neach I bhuirstú. Hacket iad in a burst. Ominous energy. The Knight Brothers. She Knight Brother van here. Darth Maul. Good job. Agus brahad ag rá an tenim as gáiriche anna Star Wars Savage Oppress. Yep. Sin scríbigh fá
Zeffo were here.
Zeffo.
Strange. This place seems abandoned, but
You trespass, Jedi.
I shouldn't come back feet. Knight Brothers.
I heard you were all dead.
Not all. Dathomir is forbidden to you. Leave at once.
Well, I'm afraid I can't do that, but perhaps we could help each other. You see, Easy. I'm not your enemy.
Your actions say otherwise.
Wait, hold on. I'm not here to...
Scaniel.
Get the intruder!
Okay. Yeah.
Your life is forfeit. This pain means nothing. Stop him from moving.
Jetzt ein Gemacht.
You will kill no more of my brothers.
Chin. Okay. Ich kajak. Ich Jehan. BDN. Door's locked from the other side. Yep. There we go. Now she and Neile each now is down here. Farkin gewoon maar Zelda nu de zin het je niet. Seir san pecan fáis gáil agus a pengan a mí chosc. Nist go mé céad a bhí na seaad ar a force ar a lightsaber neo éid survival. Dá féin gacum. Lightsaber. Ceis me ha. Dash strike, hold Y. Scanne. Agus evasive kick. Sprint strike. Yeah. Féim come out skill points there's on leaping slash. So you know, dash strike agus mission superior blocking. You always mention that. And me Chomashin it again has block stamina increased. Scanno. This Miari Hishin. This Vakishin. Okay. Oof. Hishin Urakin. Oh, Kanyach, but ha crossbow back. Yeah. Oh, okay. Gotta have you.
Night, brothers.
Yuck.
Come, brothers.
Okay. Shannon repeated. Yuck. Okay.
BD1.
Niech ile ja. Shenchi. Night Brother Archer. Agus Carolyn. Arila. BD or Sanscania. Any land. Oh well. Commission yarn. I guess this door is locked from the other side. Look at that.
I see you.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Have to try harder.
Okay. Bad shot, tough. You know, stim packs.
An outsider.
Oh, fuck.
Watch yourselves, brothers. Right, true brothers.
Shinchi. Fast and shot it again when I show Big Edvik. Harmi Shirig Fisrachuch Mien Catchavel Dernia Ela Ekavel Force. Gus some fine mission Fisrachuch Nacha Vader Agus Palpatine. But has you Fiachin re Jedi na Jedi Ashjachuch or son Savage and Nine Hinter. sin nesan some minute. So sin cabine has down here.
Come back here. Something was in there.
You mantis paint job Jackie. Huh. Sin snuck good out. Okay. That has you. Sin siúd. Mar seo. Nó. Mar sin. My flash good. Basically in here. Night Brother Warrior. So somewhere shin of Darth Maul. Strong defense is advised. Male warrior subspecies of Zabrak.
What was in there?
New lightsaber switch. Chin. Shin Kanam. Okay. Fees. Health Miracle, so. Dolly cat. Oh, you shouldn't Doris. Tev Illa and Doris. Yeah, Scania. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Healthine. I should go my feed. I should go fat in the shadow, Darth Maul. Tree. I suppose you could fear me the gas skill point I guess in leaping slash at Son Barach written lightsaber Enov. Vakishin tras there. I suppose you could be village ha Pjode Ha.
Someone over there. You stopped me. Come, fight me.
Attention.
He's moving. I will avenge them all.
I guess nish for could be a Darsha Fasculture. Scania. Oh shin. Close.
Oh, fellow wanderer. I see you met the resident Night Sister, but unlike most, you're alive. What lightsaber? No, don't hide it. That would explain your survival.
Who are you?
No one to fear. Just a traveler, studying the nature of extinct cultures and dead philosophies.
You study the Night Sisters?
I study many things. But yes, that Night Sister, well, she was only a child when the war came to this world. She had to watch her whole family perish.
This ruin.
Oh, ancient beyond belief. The Night Sister and her warrior kin are seduced by the power that lurks within. Avoid the ruins, or suffer the same fate.
Geniaal. Erop sa comments of her sin.
Yeah, I can't jump that high. Yeah, far. Yeah.
Okay, shooting guy. Oops. I shouldn't fear. Nope. There you go. Okay, there you go. Oh, there you go. Written a Kurdish lightsaber on here. Oh! Ramin Turi Shin. Well, Hamid Planich Darth Maul. Double bladed lightsaber. So, haast direct 3 dagen nog geen. Ach, Crìochnachadh. Got that one, Jin. Agus, Crìochnachadh. Yes, we switching to go-to guy. Crìochnachadh, valor and wisdom. Yeah. Shin Malahamika. Okay.
Someone was drawn to something here. Energy from the ruins?
And life essences mar sin díreach mar heart containers on a Zelda. Yeah. Haast geniaal. Da fijn gakam.
Little help.
Commission yarn.
You don't seem ready. Dathomir is unforgiving. Return only when you're ready to face its perils in full.
Stoch go féim am dal kind of flanet chéile sin. Tá seach. Yeah, okay, boomer. Sin Sinna díreach. Oh, yeah. I'm switching about fame. I come down on a flying chile. We're all holiday. Stoch a confíocha mí savage and rancor biction a bhíist. Get no lí amach. Thank fellow dear. Dochas gon de chart erf. I mean the mammoth. Okay. We're ready to go. Shania, come here, Yomi, as bad. Dá sin herring suas. Stoch go charga is céidir a man. So nuair go dá sin dé sin. Cymryd i yw mi a ddash, mae'n rili go dol yr earth. Well, oh, sin callach rí sages Bogano in ya? Is tu wat daai kom. Precies er vertaja. Nope. Sin ik op het verach. Ja, kan je lezen. Here, Good. Nice and Jedi canting. I don't think you're ready for this.
Ah, so you've made some upgrades. But you'll need more than a weapon to cross the many perils of Dathomir.
How do you know so much about the Night Sister?
Observation. I've seen many things since coming here.
What does that mean?
Must it mean something? Too many great minds have gone astray in pursuit of order.
I gotta get going. How long have you been here?
Long enough. This world provided a sanctum when I was in need, shelter when I was weak, an enlightenment when I was lost in the dark.
Right.
Oh boy.
I like your enthusiasm, but Dathomir demands more than wit or will.
Sinna ní an cara ceir ra. Is fiad have an design ana hinach timppla. Féimic go
Time for a stim.
Is mar sin é le an chaáir ra an bhasú chanéil. Is sin iad chula cáil sin again. Daag BD hentá. Íoch go cháidir na sé go tuid ar cháil. An iad go ein neal cuach go ha dhéar mar san féin in nul gan áte sin. Ach, chanéal dá ann dá le dheis. Dai chuas? Cùisean. Ní tíú an doras pas go bhain. Se. Rydw go bhfuil sin a dhí ar dói bhí dal suas ní dói bhí dal sias agus chanéich mí búlach. Caid bhfuil sin. Dal íochain ar san carabhin a chéile a chun ar sin. Stocha go bíach an rí céad ar gaid ar san a chiad trip. Seo, y rep. Barach gan rí strip. Stein hen, a níl. Jimmy ein an eich a. Níl. Fóf. Great. Mi dal chéad ir bic an cháirle. Or chuid we can find me fat a vera gan sinna dhéanú. Oh yeah. Réirchalas han jou really caught ac a dul go Dathomir go trá seo. Ach, fa mi ar firan. Cenneal mór an cháirle ann mú. Fine. Yeah. Oh, have we take sin in this? Have we mentioned? Hold on. Right. Well, die am Díreach Chile gan Mantis. Which we can feel. Okay, start it. My H me gan the shock about die on. Fast traveler hurricane. En jou call us gevel. Okay. There challas. A Díreach féime get an European seo chachú. San jou féime get slap suas an European. Oh yeah. I just a gen of kill. Okay. Soon an dar seo ascoig maybe? Oh no, I shouldn't do it. Okay. Dole hilig gan long fan. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh well. And we can't. I'm weer een halletje als je zijn. Hurst je het good Dathomir. But found oh, shit you dal good Dathomir how giddy. Dus je ga me good Dathomir is. Je doet het more aan die aan. Dus net kan het wel have even gedal gaan functioneren actually. Is dan show yeah no.
Glad you made it back in one piece.
There were some close calls out there.
Please tell me nothing followed you home, kid.
I hope not.
Okay, Shindoka is Zeefa, maha. Zeefo, gebiedje in my head. Zeffo. Bogano, Dathomir, Zeefo. Yeah. Yeah, pretty cool vision. I mean, dochas nu de hilis shin Dathomir na sacha rush can be baraka can by ma a night sister aikin. Feisha gama cool. This
When I was younger, I used to pour through every piece I could find in the Jedi archives.
Did you critique them too?
I admired them. When I became a seeker, I got to see a few in person. So
Seeker
many
of
different
each.
cultures in the galaxy, and each one had their own unique works of art. It was breathtaking.
I hope they come see or some. Nope. Okay. We both fixing the toughest.
All right, kids, sit down. We're here.
Zeffo.
Think of a storm brewing down there. This might not be the best time to land.
Something strange. Those winds are interfering with our comms.
Hey, Cordova mentioned something about peace in the eye of the storm. Well, I can just make out a settlement in the middle of it.
Then we have to get there.
Copy that.
Must tell him Grease.
Couple bumps ain't gonna kill you, kid. Unless the wind picks up. Can you tell that bucket of bolts to keep his opinion to himself?
I'm sure everything's under control.
It's under control. It's just a little tricky. Okay, hold on. perfect landing. Easy money, baby.
But I'm still getting a lot of interference on the comms. It's gonna take me a minute to get them back up.
I'll search for signs of Cordova in the meantime.
Good. I'll be in touch once I crack this. Cal, over here. You did good work on Bogano. The more information we gather on Cordova and the Zeffo, the closer we'll get to stopping the Empire.
I've heard of ancient cultures, but don't know much about them.
I only knew that Cordova was obsessed with the Zeffo, believing their teachings to be important. I, too, was intrigued by the mysteries of our galaxy. You better get moving. There's a lot to learn here. Good luck.
Okay. Well, Zeffo. Crìochnachadh. Yeah, Doris Glass Jailer Hasha. Well. Yeah, she brisig dúil an a Dathomir, or mi ferrach marker o tug acum expression vain game maar. Well, a becan, een geniel really tug acum. Okay, she hacking anyhow.
Thanks for the help.
Storage crate. A crate for storage. Let's check it. Yeah.
Hey! What do we find?
Poncho material. Okay. I think we should switch to give it a shot. Shove plastic junk. Planet and Thorson class. Veteran. Wil je te kiezen Stormtrooper? Scaniel. Scaniel heen.
Watch out, BD. You don't look friendly.
Hey, check that.
Cal, can you hear me?
The Empire. They found Zeffo.
If they were following the Mantis, we would have been swarmed already.
Could they be looking for the tombs?
Let's hope not. Just got our comms working. I'll try the same workaround to crack into theirs.
BD1, over here.
Yeah. Shin. Ma hanna híberach gan hea stacha go bí blár éile acham leis leis an cùiseanachadh leis a cùiseanachadh.
Mother used this fabric to keep her child warm. They were on the run from something. Stim crate. Should be here. Wait,
Oh, Scaniel.
carry more? Thanks, BD1.
sin féimeá. Nuair a hílas mí go Dathomir. Bhí sin go bh féimeá. Rancor sin. Sin rutéile ans na scéalcha mu Dathomir had Night Sisters beat a marcach rancors. Agus sin díreach. Scanneá. An bheith also. Is fasclí sin in daras seo. Yeah. Stormtroopers. Well, Sil có ile ar a fáinne seo. Sil inne Night Sister a haint an dàrna piúid.
Oh, all right then. What was in there?
Duty got resolve. Is she in citizen here? Yeah.
Scanning again? Good job.
This area is off limits. Imperial code 9 3 Shia Céhir. No selling or trading. Deiligeadh. Throws my hand. Didn't spare some.
What? I'm looking.
Scout trooper. Hacking on the hat.
Take her and go. I'll lead them away.
Ulster, no!
Of. Scéalach Ciavi.
Hope you're ready. Jedi's on the move. You're going down, Jedi.
J-Horse too. BD. Good job. So Hanik. Anim Pirach. Gan Vala seo agus chaine daine an fuatach. Diolch. Wel, sin ha this Imperach Jenna. Oh, hello, Carriage. Sparsa. She in here, London Gorge.
You shouldn't be here.
Long-range support's gone. Remain calm.
Scanio. agus suirin go an rit lightsaber sin lein. Leaping slash. Scania. Ja, meer zo'n rest die en ook niet op in Stormtrooper Shanula. Ja, deze. Shortcut. Shin. Oh, I guess I'm long tira for action. Scania. Okay. Oh, shit. Hello, heart. Right.
Time to shine.
Scout Trooper Commander. Yeah, nu han nu is een orange en orre sin kill hook commanders aantal. Agus tri gan ik hem geen sin kill hook nas der first. Smashing. Best in a hit. Target check on Macabeth.
Where are you taking us?
The Empire's forced the villagers from their homes. Frightened refugees, shipped off to work camps. Or worse.
Aye. Sinnach Nicht genial een koer kijken. Er wel veel meer komen zo'n chin. Nee, als je een rap. Nee, Jimmy, ja. Haast. Ver helmen hen. Hier. Hallo, Garrett. Mishahan. Natuurlijk kunnen terug. Hier gaan we deze. Nu zijn we het dacht ik als ik me crìochnachadh weer zo. Ja, als je neer wie alles aan gehoord daar de heatje niet. Oh.
Hey. Did you find something, BD1?
New outfit. Is een really generative vergassen. Oh, flashing staan in. Ah, zo verder. Karakin. Lame. Hello, Garrett. Hacking the stand here, man.
Oh, all right then. What is it?
Oh, what's going on?
Jedi, here?
Verder in Kitjak, maar heske wel meer breem. Maar dan ga ik al Dark Souls, agus. Is het Metroid, agus. Uncharted ach a ceaman an gohadisnú ha léim sios agus i mar daine mar sin ha fetaching callachí Assassin's Creed. Le skill tree le sit an gain íonsacha swin sin stacha empowered slow holding slow allows car Mission ha Beacon come and it's a force Beacon lightsaber Beacon survival Kajok come machine orange son Jirach Beacon such turbine facility. Nis cùisean ha an imperach giri turbine. Salus? Hey. Ah. Cùiseanach. Hello, Paddy. Oh, move. Yep. La ham an gúist. Let up. Oh, his television. Ah. Oh.
That looks like a problem.
Uh-oh. Where did I come? Ah. That got cute.
Where'd you find it?
Black. Gosh darn. Oh. Seek the eye of the storm. Okay. Okay, so me go to cùiseanad on him.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
It's reducing the quality of it. Did you see something? Come on, hit him! Watch your back!
Oh, Wolf.
Step back, I've got this. He's hit. End him. Watch yourself. Get on the move.
Okay, so how rocketgenic in on you. Oof. You need to go shoot the Yuck. Oh, what a tank. Gamma come I feel yeah no.
Toss it here. Better.
Oh, vision. I can raw I need. Yep. Ah, get the east. I guess. Sure. Oh. This kind of yeah. And I heard me as a kid episode. Thought of a platforming of having to. No. Yeah. Shortcut.
My friend, in the rotation since I left Bogano, I've uncovered more about the Zeffo than I once believed possible.
RJ. I think she did that. It's good. She did. Okay, Russians. Same Russians. Oh, Sean, that you've had in the Crìochnachadh here in the Solace. Okay. Yeah, turbine facility. Hello, Crìochnachadh.
Taking the shot. You'll pay for that. Shoot it. You win. You've made your last mistake.
Gene. Scump link. Femi gyfel mi can find me scump link ganson na Jeja. Oh. You look bránach a sin. Force pull.
I can't push it.
Push it. Force push. Which could find me shouldn't have wanted shots or shouldn't have year or Dathomir.
Seer, there's a transport ship leaving the Empire's base.
I heard. They plan to bring Zeffo artifacts to Coruscant.
Does that mean?
That the Emperor is interested in Zeffo? Maybe.
Yeah.
Was wounded, but he took out a trooper.
Ja, Scampling aqui. Had je veel meteen je crashen. mis muid sin can stat sin ag an nathe seo. Ar sin cád is dair a híte Jedi Fallen Order. Se Caran mixed bag of anna dúchanin. Chuir sin crìochnachadh Bogota, so sin má. A chanúir sin mí chuir vid antá go Dathomir. Is nuair sin bheith díreach féime cin fácail is dé 10 minút an nád féime go ar cuachan ile na chéilú féin ach má dul gan na planet sin ile antáiseach. Chinneoí táilte míon sin. Ach, hast card rom agus inis te double-sided lightsaber acham. So sin má agus sin féin skillin a bharach. Hainneánach na chéil ach inan ans na force agus survival ones ach hí mar sin a garach gana. En heachgain nuair a chéile sin go Zeffo, Zeefo am is sin. Ar san féin amach na an imperach gris agus mí ferach in goite go feic sin an dàrna piúid a dhéist agus fi sin má. Mis muinte go big mar mis muinte go bí ise mar an návet ráin as a géime seo agus big má ise feicin siúta seo. A ciú feici mí go sinne mór an taingur san a bhí am chuteach go dú ar Cluicheamaid agus chiimi ina heachcan sih. Siadí i drásta.